Hi everybody, I'm Sunil Agarwal and I recently started with a add-on hospitality business. We are into service apartments and B&B in Delhi, and I was facing a lot of day-to-day challenges in my work in terms of compiling data of check-in and check-out, and then I happened to meet Kewal in person, though I had heard about him many times from many friends and BNI members. What I learned in his workshop and his MBA program was that everything is readily available on your laptop without an extra expense. You can go to Google Suites and use Google Form, Google Calendar, and there are many more things. And automatically you can send things to your staff, your guest, check in, check out. Everything I could just see it in one window, and I plan to get that window on my mobile now because as it was taking a lot of time, and I used to feel very very tough in handling my business, and used to feel that it's so complicated I can't do it. But now I think the kind of inventory of rooms and service apartment I have, I can manage things much more easily. I am doing this MBA program 2020 with Kewal, and it is really helpful. First, I thought that it might not be individually helpful for this particular industry, but after doing one-to-one and meeting Kewal's team, I could realize that there are so many things I can implement in my existing work, and this would not only reduce my time but also it would help me out to market my product much more freely and tension relief. And today I'm here for a one-to-one with Kewal and his team. I have learned many things, we've created many things. I'm going back to the office, ask my people to implement it, and then again coming back maybe after 10 days, whatever struggle we are facing in this sheet, we are going to redesign it and going to make it more better, not only for ourselves but also for our client and our future growth. And one thing I would like to tell about Kewal team and Kewal individually is they are very easy to approach. You have a problem, he has some solution to it, and if you are able to explain him, I'm sure that he would be able to come out with some solution and some easiness for you. And my personal suggestion would be for the people in this industry or even in any other industry, if you want to ease out your data entry or your day-to-day struggle in writing things, you must meet him once, I think, and you must meet him once, do a workshop with him. It should help.